Surviving and Surviving with Blood Cancer. There's a program coming up Saturday for patients and their families. And joining me now is Tom Carelton, Executive Director of the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. Tom, first of all, thanks for coming in. Appreciate it. I just saw you not too long ago at the Students of the Year event, which is always such an inspiring thing to see young people raising money for such an important cause. We'll touch on that a little bit later. Tell me about this particular event this weekend.
Sure. Surviving and Thriving with Blood Cancer, we're doing it at the Jewish Community Center. And it's really a way for patients and their families to come and not only hear about disease-specific information from our healthcare partners here locally, but also to talk about things that are attached to survivorship. So Sexual Health Matters is a piece that Patty Brisbane's doing for us. Okay. We have a piece on humor. We have a piece on resiliency. So it's really a way for patients to get together and be with people who have gone through the same thing that they have, and also be with our local healthcare professionals to learn more about what's happening in research and survivorship.
Well, and really with blood cancers in particular, there seem to be so many remarkable stories of surviving and advances in different therapies and that kind of thing. Talk about when people come out on the other side, what they have to share with people who are going through what they once went through.
I think a program that we have is called First Connection, and it's probably one of the most valuable when you talk to people who have been through it. And it's connecting a recently diagnosed patient with someone who is out of their treatment for at least a year, who also does some training with the Leukemia and Lymphoma Society. And it's really a connection with somebody who's been there, done that. Yeah. Anybody who's been diagnosed with any type of cancer will tell you the scariest part is when you hear you have cancer. Yeah. And to have someone there to be able to just work with you through the process of it's going to be okay, I'm here, these are the things that I went through, here are the things you can expect. I think it's just it's a real valuable service to patients.
And let's talk about, because with this event, it's not just for the patient, it's for the families too. How important is that aspect of what you're doing this weekend? Because it's sort of an all-in situation. It's not just the person who has the diagnosis.
Absolutely, it's definitely a family disease. Yeah. I think sometimes caregivers will tell you that they are the ones that are forgotten in this whole process, and they are the ones who are trying to manage the family's life while they're going through the caregiving of the cancer patient. Yeah. So making sure that we are supporting patients and their families, it's just a commitment that our Chief Medical Officer has made to our patients and their families, is for us to be there and have services for them.
One more time, quickly give us those details again about the event this weekend.
It's this weekend at the Jewish Community Center. It's Saturday from 8:30 to 1:30, and you can go to our website, which is www.lls.org/SOH, and look for the Surviving and Thriving with Blood Cancer to register.
And we'll get more information at local12.com as well. Congratulations on the Students of the Year. Over $330,000 those kids raised. Let's get a